Welcome to today's tutorial on sending full original quality photos and videos on WhatsApp using your iPhone. WhatsApp has recently introduced a new feature that allows you to send large files up to 2 GB without any compression, ensuring your media retains its original clarity. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to make the most of this functionality. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and navigate to any chat, whether it's a new conversation or an existing one. Next, tap on the plus button located in the chat bar. From the menu options that appear, select Document. Now, tap on Choose Photo or Video to initiate the process. This step is crucial, as it differs from the traditional method of selecting media directly. By choosing the document option, you enable the transmission of the file in its original, uncompressed quality. Select the photo or video you wish to share in full resolution and quality, then proceed to send it as you normally would. Keep in mind that there's a 2 GB file size limit for the photos and videos you select. When your recipient receives the file, it appears just like any other document. Whether it's a JPEG, RAW, HEIF, HEIC, or another format, the full original file is preserved. It's essential to note that the key to sending uncompressed media lies in opting for the document option instead of the standard photo, video selection. So, in this video, we've walked you through the process of sending full original quality photos and videos on WhatsApp, ensuring your media remains crystal clear without any loss of quality. Don't miss out on this nuanced approach, and follow these steps to elevate your media sharing experience on WhatsApp.